Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to install our spoiler extension on the GR Corolla. Let's go. Okay, first step, clean. Now we are going to be using a lot of tape here, so make sure you clean the surface of the stock spoiler. We're just going to be using quick detailer and a microfiber cloth. Next is to transfer the mounting holes onto the stock spoiler. So what you want to do is just align this to the car. You want to hold the corners there, and they will line up with the corners of the stock spoiler. If you push the corners down, it won't go left to right, you'll be pretty center. From there, just get your friend to mark out all 4 points, and then we'll move on to drilling. Okay, now we need to drill the holes. So the goal is to enlarge these holes to a 10 mil, but what you want to do is start small. So I've got a 4, and then I go to a 7, and then end with a 10. Because we'll be drilling on the glass, I've got myself a nice big microfiber, and I'll just lay it out just so we get a clean workstation. And next step is to apply primer. So primer is really important because it really helps increase the bond between the paint and the tape. So where you want to apply this is along the top edge of the spoiler, all the way across the other side, and also just on this section here, just on the bottom, not against the glass, just against the bottom edge of the spoiler. Get it all along there, a little nice squiggly line. And also on the spoiler, it's actually marked out apply primer along here. So along here, and also on this little wedge, and also along here, same on the other side. So to use it, just crack it. There's a glass tube inside, you squeeze, cracks, and the primer will leak out, and then you start applying to the car. Now for tape. So in the kit, there is 2 sets. You got a narrow and a wide tape. You want to start with the wide one first. So what you want to do is take the narrow tape and tape it on the top edge, following this line where it says apply primer. So along here, on the top line, across the middle and to the other side. Once you've done that, you grab the wider tape and tape it directly below it. Again, follow the top, follow that line. You need to trim it there, and the same on the other side. There's also a section here that says apply primer along here. Wide tape and tape it along there, trim it, same on the other side. So I'll show you how to get that done. So the narrow tape along that top edge there, and across here all the way down, followed by the wide directly below, and also here. Now that we've got the tape on and I've just pressed out all the bubbles, the next step is to prepare your hardware. So what you want to do is grab your bolt and your washer, put it on, preload it like that, grab them underneath, poke it through, get your rub on it and preload it. Doesn't have to be tight, it's just enough so it doesn't fall off on you. So we just go and put all the other 3 in. Next step is to peel off the backing tape. Now what you're going to do is to guide the little rubber nuts into those holes. So what I find helps is you just back these off enough, not so much where it comes out, enough where you got a bit of wiggle in them, so that way you can sort of rotate them into the hole and push them in. So I'll just back these out a bit, and then we'll go put on the car. Now that we've got the rubber nuts in place, what you need now is a 3mm Allen key to tighten up the bolt. So what will happen is, as you tighten it, it'll pull the rubber nut from behind the spoiler, creating a secure fixing. So 3mm and just tighten. Now that that's done, just gotta press and hold the tape for about 2-3 minutes and just let it bond, and then you'll be done. Okay, now for the final touch, the flow sticker. So what you want to do is just stand behind the car, find the fin, the middle of the L and the O is the middle. So I just sort of go there and straight down and then tape it on. Okay, it's nice and discreet. There you have it, our spoiler extension installed on the GR Corolla. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.